It is the 19th of November. Again, it is a cold morning. Good morning to everyone. Had championship playoff football last night, second round. North County rolled 35-9. Kevin and Tina Foreman, the Tampa Bay Buccaneers Reserve Edition F-450, really the one that has brought us so much business. We owe so much to them just for the fact that their truck was so amazing that they allowed us to build with Kevin's thought process and dreams of his all-time truck of all trucks, made it come to life, and it's just been huge for us as far as the attention that it's brought us. So Kevin and Tina, I can't thank you enough. I owe you something forever. Y'all are truly, genuinely great people and a great family, and we're so proud. I'm so proud to be a part of this. And I'm headed to work right now to show y'all your amazing truck. We did a whole nother refresh, changed it up, added a lot of nice additions. Let's go. Inside their amazing truck, we upgraded with the Gen 5 Linkswell 12-inch infotainment system. I love this. I love that the Gen 4 did not have analog buttons and the Gen 5 now does. This makes it more legit to me, and they've definitely made the startup a lot faster on this, and you still maintain those buttons up there, full functionality. And then the Starlight. Oh my gosh. Gonna be truly epic at nighttime in Florida with the color change throughout. Did them a MTI acoustics, custom sug box, lighting and all, leather to match with contrast stitching. This is an amazing audio system with focal door speaker placements all the way throughout, tweeters as well, microphone for your Gen 5, and then the Ultimate 9 throttle lag alleviator. This is a must have regardless of what setup you have, whether it's stock or custom as far as your suspension setup. This gets you going in a great fashion with more throttle. It just really feels like you have about 50 to 75 additional horsepower. There is no lag, especially when you have a bigger wheel and tire combo. So this is reveal number 2. Allison hooked them up with the flight. Mr. Akins hooked them up with the flight. Allison took care of it. Ernie went and picked them up, and they are coming down the hill.
Oh my God.
Look at that. Look at that now.
Boy.
Look at that.
That looks good.
Yes, sir. Ernie said he'll take it.
I'll take it.
Yes. Look at your side. Your side.
Yep.
Yep.
Mirror there.
It'll go from white to amber.
Right to amber.
Yep.
So what is that?
Big
So
difference.
good.
Yep.
Really, really good.
And the reverse lights out back too. Yep. Just got through with the big reveal. Reveal number 2 for Kevin and Tina Foreman on this amazing. This is the baddest, y'all. I told you that we do all these 450s, and I say this is the baddest. This is number 1. This one, that one. But y'all, something special about this one with the coloration and the customer. Man, my goodness, what an amazing rendition! And the upgrades included. We did switchbacks here on the side. A big thanks to Austin Calhoun with High on Lumens. He knocked it out of the park with so many upgrades on this before. Include remove the texture on the back there. John is now going over with Kevin inside right now. All the newness and new features. Did a retort on his counterman suspension as well. Lights up front. Redid his headlights. Removed texture on this portion here as well as on the front lower. Just things to make it even better overall. 30-inch light bar RDS rigid right there. Money. Jesse Cash coming in to get on some action. Jonathan showing him. We did a nice buff and ceramic coat on all the wheels to make it just look so much better. He was thinking about maybe powder coating them, but let's just put a nice buff job on them. Put a ceramic coat. They'll be great. White lights and clearance lights to match. Looks so legit. I just love it. We even included a bigger air tank in the rear for longer horn blowing capability, which is a definite must. Repainted his hitch out back because over time things get used and get worn out. Rigid SRQ painted to match in the back, and we did nice agate black on this portion here, just like the front. Man, that makes a big difference to me. I truly love that. And then coming around, he had some road debris that messed up his middle hip, so we redid those as well. going on in here. Look, I got Kevin.
Yeah.
Kevin's loving it. Yeah.
Loving it.
Showing him the big screen.
Yeah.
And got the red. I mean, he's my kind of guy when he's got the red, you know. We got the red starlight going on. We got the faux cow. Unbelievable. And the custom MTI acoustics box in the rear. Going to be amazing. So to summarize, these are some of the best customers I've ever met. They're like family to me now, just like Akins is. It's a great partnership here we've got going on, y'all. What an amazing truck. This truck looks so incredible. And again, to recap, we did a lot of paint on the texture components. We did switchbacks. We did a bigger air tank for capacity. And there is Tina. She's going to, yes.
Mom, our refraction looks so good.
Yes. Thank y'all. Thank y'all.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Oh, they're just great people. People like them right there is really what just keeps me energized and keeps me hoping and knowing that the world is such a great place. But the Starlight headliner, the audio, the lighting, it is all there. The horn as well. The Tampa Bay Reserve Edition was here for a short time and it's headed back to Florida.